my friends! How are you today? Good! Now let's eat this breakfast to go up on top of the roof and get the roof clean. Cottage cheese! Ah, that's very good. Let me chop some bananas. Wow! Let me chop some tomatoes. Wow! Now let me chop some onions. Now let's put some cottage cheese, some red pepper, a little bit of salt. That very delicious peanut butter jelly. And honey. And some mozzarella cheese. Mmm. Very delicious. Mm. Look at that honey. Wow. Mm. Very good. Very, very good.
Okay, so from here to over there, I'll wash it with the purple cleaner, the warning tool. So let me turn here, and it does not look too clean, okay, because it's already this material, it's already stained with the dirt, but it's a way cleaner than the back. I will show you the half of the look. The warning here up to here is clean, and look over there, and look over there, okay. But we will change the strategies here. I see that the purple cleaner, it cleans really good, but if you don't rinse very fast, it gives you stains. That's right, you can see like those spots, those are stains from the purple cleaner. What I'm going to do is change the strategy, and I will show you. What I have here is this laundry detergent, okay, and I will use 2 cups of this in this pan, and I will pre-wash, okay, and soak out the roofing, everything that I was gonna hit right after with the purple cleaner. That I believe it's gonna help to remove the dirt. Yeah, I believe that we'll lose the dirt. We will see. Let's test the results together. So what I'm doing is I'm soaking now everything with the laundry detergent, like everywhere that I'm gonna go after with the purple cleaner. I'm going to soak like this, and I believe that's going to help so much. We will see. So guys, it's all cleaned up. I mean, it could get a little better, okay. If I had something like chloro gel or something like that. So I want to make sure, and I let you know, this I showed product that's very reasonable prices, okay, and things that I usually have around the house. I know that some people, they don't keep purple cleaner in their homes, but it's very easy to find on Walmart. I'm sure someone is watching this video and say, look, this product that sells on Amazon or sells in other websites that sell things for RVs, it works much nicer, and would do a way better job than this, okay. But I mean, if you don't want to spend way too much money, purple cleaner with some laundry detergent, it's the way to do it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm using this product, okay, it's $14. It's called the Lap Sealant No Leaven No Sag, okay, and I will make sure all the corners how you use this bottle here, and I will seal it. So guys, I'm happy with the results. It looks much cleaner. However, like I said, there is still few stains that you can see, but it's working, you know, it's clean. And I hope you like this video, you enjoy it, and please share this video, subscribe if you like it. Please press the like button. Here at the park, they are already installing the lights for the holidays. See you until our next video.